Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I am the Maths Mentor, and today's session let us discuss about the most important topics in Mathematics 1B, that is differentiation, as which carries two 7-mark questions. So today's session let us discuss about 7-mark questions. Coming to question number 1, if x power log y equal to log x, then find dy by dx. What they are asking? They are asking to find the dy by dx. As it is given, x power log y equal to log x. Right? Now what we will do? Let us apply logarithm on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. I mean log of x power log y equal to log of log x. Right? What we did? We applied logarithm on both sides. Log of x power log y is equal to log of log x. Okay. Now, students, if you observe here, which is in the form of log a power m. You know, children, what is the formula of log a power m? Log a power m I can write as m log a. Right? Now, this is log x power log y. I can write as log y into log x, that is equal to log of log x. Right? Is it clear this step? Now coming to, if you observe this, which is in the form of uv, I mean uv formula. What is the uv formula? As we know that uv formula is uv dash plus vu dash. uv dash plus vu dash. Children, what is u here? As u is log y, u equal to log y. Now the thing is, you have to find out u dash, I mean differentiation. Differentiation of u. We call it as simply u dash. What is the differentiation of log y? Log y differentiation is 1 by y. Right? Again, internal derivation, y differentiation is what? Dy by dx. Is it clear? Now coming to v. What is v here, children? As v is log x, right? Now let us differentiate with respect to x. I mean v dash is equal to log x differentiation 1 by x, again x differentiation 1. So simply log x differentiation is 1 by x only. But what about log y? 1 by y into dy by dx. Okay, here also actually we have to write dx by dx. Dx gets cancelled, you will get 1 only. So what is the differentiation of log x? Which is nothing but 1 by x only. Okay, now let us write into the form of uv. So uv dash, u in the sense log y, v dash is 1 by x plus vu dash, v in the sense log x, and u dash in the sense 1 by y into dy by dx. 1 by y into dy by dx. Right? Is it clear? u v dash plus vu dash equal to, now log of log x. Now we are differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Log of log x. It is in the form of log x. What is the formula? Differentiation of log x, that is 1 by x. I mean 1 by log x. Again log x differentiation is 1 by x. Once again, children, what we did here, which is in the form of uv, we are differentiating with respect to x. log y into v dash differentiation 1 by x plus v into u dash differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. Again, which is in the form of log x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x, 1 by log x. Again, log x differentiation is 1 by x. Right? Now, what I will do? We have to find out the value of dy by dx. Let us keep the dy by dx term as it is. I mean, log x into 1 log x by y into dy by dx equal to, as we have 1 into 1, 1. Let me write as it is this term 1 by x into 1 by log x. Children, as we have log y into 1 by x. Let us take log y into 1 by x term towards right hand side. It will become minus 1 by x into log y. Right? So this term as it is you write down log x by y into dy by dx. If you observe here, from both these terms, this is one term and this is another term. In two terms lo, 1 by x is common ga undi, right? Let me take 1 by x as common. I will get 1 by log x minus log y, as I have taken 1 by x outside. Now, here nothing in the sense, I can write as 1, right? Now, log x by y into dy by dx equal to 1 by x into, what is the LCM of log x and 1, which is nothing but log x only. Now cross multiplication, 1 into 1 1 minus log x into log y. I can write as log x into log y. Actually, we have to find only the value of dy by dx, but we have the term log x by y. Let me transpose towards right hand side. So here we have only dy by dx, log x by y. If you transpose towards right hand side, it will become y by log x into, we have here 1 by x into 1 minus log x into log y divided by log x, right? Therefore, dy by dx equal to, see here we have log x here also we have log x. I can multiply log x and log x. I can write as log x whole square, right? Now y into 1 y by, we have x here, I mean y by x into the numerator as it is you write down 1 minus log x into log y. So they are asking to find the value of dy by dx. So what is the value of dy by dx? dy by dx equal to y by x into 1 minus log x into log y divided by log x whole square. Children, this is the most important question, as they are asking from many years. Okay, if you observe the question, if x power log y equal to log x, if at all it is in the form of logs, again we have to apply logarithm on both sides, then we have to differentiate with respect to x, then you will get the value of dy by dx. Okay, let us see one more problem in a similar manner. If x power y equal to y power x, if x power y equal to y power x, then show that dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to y into x log y minus y divided by x into y log x minus x. Okay, so that is our problem number 2. Let us find out now. Given here x power y equal What is given here? X power y equal to y power x. Then show that dy by dx equal to y into x log y minus y by x into y log x minus x. Okay children, what is given you write down first of all. X power y equal to y power x. Again apply log on both sides, right? So let us apply now log x power y equal to log y power x. Again which is in the form of log a power m. I can write as m log a y into log x equal to x into log y. Right? See, now what you do, differentiate with respect to x. If you observe here, left hand side as well as right hand side both are in the form of UV method. This is UV as well as this is also UV. What is the formula of UV? UV dash plus VU dash. Okay? So here as U is nothing but U equal to Y, let us find U dash, that is dy by dx, and V equal to log x, and what is V dash? Log x differentiation is 1 by x. Okay, let me write U in the sense y, V dash in the sense 1 by x plus VU dash, V in the sense log x, and what is U dash? U dash is dy by dx. Right? Now coming to right hand side, what we have right hand side? We have U is nothing but x. What is the differentiation of x? The derivation of x is 1. And what is V? V is log y. What is the differentiation of log y? 1 by y into dy by dx. Okay. Again let us apply UV method. U in the sense x. V dash is 1 by y into dy by dx plus V U dash. V is log y and U dash is 1. Y into 1, y by x plus log x into dy by dx equal to x into 1, x by y into dy by dx plus log y into 1, log y. Okay, what you do, you write down dy by dx terms in one side. So here we have dy by dx term, here also we have dy by dx term. Okay now? So let me write dy by dx term first of all. Log x into dy by dx. Let us transpose. It will become minus x by y into dy by dx equal to, as we have here log y plus y by x. If you transpose, you will get minus y by x. Okay children? Now let me take dy by dx term as common. Let me take dy by dx as common. As I have here log x minus x by y equal to log y minus y by x. Here nothing in the sense 1. Here also nothing in the sense 1. So dy by dx into, as the LCM of 1 and y is y. So y into log x, y log x minus 1 into x, 1x. Right? Equal to, here also LCM of 1 and x is x. X into log y, x log y minus 1 into y, y. So children, here dy by dx into y log x minus x by y. I mean which is multiplying. Let me transpose. So dy by dx equal to x log y minus y by x. This term as it is. Let me transpose. You will get y by y log x minus x. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx equal to, okay, as they are asking y into x log y minus y. So first let me multiply y into x log y minus y divided by x into y log x minus x. Yes, children, we got the same thing. They are asking to find the dy by dx equal to y into x log y minus y by x into y log x minus x. And this is our second problem, which is the most important problem. Now coming to problem number 3, if sin y equal to x into sin a plus y, then show that dy by dx equal to sin square a plus y by sin a. Okay children, so which is also an important question. Given sin y equal to x into sin a plus y, what you do, sin y as it is you write down. Here sin a plus y is multiplying to x, transpose, you will get sin of a plus y, that is equal to x. Okay children, if you transpose towards right hand side, it will divide sin a plus y with, that is equal to x. Okay, now let us differentiate with respect to x. W means with, R means respect, T means to, with respect to x. Okay, if you observe children, as which is in the form of u by v. You know what is the formula of u by v? What is u by v formula? As we have discussed previous two problems, which is the based on uv formula, u v dash plus v u dash, right? The most important formula actually. And what is the formula of u by v? The formula for u by v is v u dash minus u v dash by v square children. What is the formula of u by v? V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Here, if you observe here, what is u? The value of u? U is given sin y. So let us find u dash, as the differentiation of sin is cos, sin by differentiation, cos y again internal derivation, y differentiation is dy by dx. Now coming to v, v is sin a plus y. What is the differentiation of v dash? Sin differentiation is cos of a plus y, again internal derivation, that is a plus y, as a is constant 0 and y differentiation is dy by dx. Okay, now let us apply the formula v u dash. V in the sense sin a plus y into u dash. U dash is cos y into dy by dx minus u. U in the sense sin y, v dash. V dash in the sense cos a plus y into dy by dx. Cos a plus y into dy by dx divided by v square. V in the sense sin a plus y. Sin square a plus y. Okay, that is equal to what we have? X, right? What is the differentiation of x, children? Differentiation of x is 1. Once again, which is in the form of u by v. The formula for u by v is v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square equal to x differentiation is 1. Okay, now let us cross multiply. Here we have sin a plus y into cos y into dy by dx minus sin y into cos a plus y into dy by dx. So what we will do, let us take dy by dx as common. Let us take dy by dx common. If I take dy by dx common, here I have sin a plus y into cos y minus sin y into cos a plus y divided, no need of divided by, because we are doing cross multiplication. Let us cross multiply. 1 into sin square of a plus y is sin square of a plus y. Children, if you observe here, which is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So which is the formula of what? Sin A minus B. Sin A minus B, right? So I can write as dy by dx into sin A in the sense A plus y minus B in the sense y equal to sin square A plus y. As plus y minus y gets cancelled, so dy by dx into sin A equal to sin square A plus y. As sin A is multiplying transpose, so dy by dx equal to sin square A plus y by sin A. Yes or no, children? They are asking to show that dy by dx equal to sin square of A plus y by sin A. As we got sin square of A plus y by sin A only. So here in this problem we are using u by v formula, that is v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay children, now let us do one more problem. Coming to problem number 4, if x equal to 3at by 1 plus t cube and y equal to 3at square by 1 plus t cube, then find dy by dx. Here we have to find the dy by dx. Okay, if you observe the two terms, that is x and y, they are in terms of t. So what we have to do? We have to differentiate both the given terms in terms of t. Differentiate with respect to t, right? So given x is equal to 3at by 1 plus t cube, so you call it as, which is in the form of u by v. Let us consider x is equal to 3at by 1 plus t cube and y equal to 3at by 3at square by 1 plus t cube, which is also in the form of u by v, which is also in the form of u by v. Okay, individually let us find whose differentiation with respect to t, right? So differentiate with respect to t. Here also differentiate with respect to t. So this will become d by dt of x. I call it as dx by dt. Again, which is in the form of u by v. What is the formula of u by v? V u dash. V in the sense 1 plus t cube and u dash, as what is the value of u? U value is 3at. So u dash is 3a constant, as the differentiation of t is 1. So u 3a into 1, 3a. V u dash minus u v dash. I mean, what is the differentiation of 1 plus t cube? Differentiation of 1 plus t cube. So 1 is constant 0 and t cube differentiation is 3t square, children, divided by v square. V square in the sense 1 plus t cube whole square. Right? V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Right? Now dx by dt equal to, as we have 3a and 3a. బాగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే 3a ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంది. So let me take 3a common. I have here 1 plus t cube minus t into 3t square. It will become 3t cube divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. So dx by dt equal to 3a into 1 plus t cube minus 3t cube. It will become minus 2t cube divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. Okay, let it be. We found dx by dt. Now let us find dy by dt. As u is here 3a t square, let us find u dash. 3a is constant, t square differentiation is 2t. 3 into 2 6at. U dash is 6at. Okay, and coming to v, what is v here? 1 plus t cube. Let us find v dash. 1 differentiation 0, t cube differentiation 3t square. So v dash equal to 0 plus 3t square, 3t square. Now let us apply u by v method. dy by dt equal to v u dash. U dash is 680 minus u v dash by v square. Right? Again, let us take 3a as common. dy by dt equal to, if I take 3a as common, I will get 1 plus t cube into 2t minus, already we took 3a common, you will get 3t power 4, right, divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. Children, from these two terms I took 3a from here as well as from here. I took 3a common, so I have 1 plus t cube into 3 2 just 6, 3 into t 3t. That's why we have 2t as well as here. We took 3a common, t square into 3t square, 3, t square into t square, t to the power of 4. Okay. Now dy by dt equal to 3a into 1 into 2t, 2t, 2t into t cube, 2t power 4 minus 3t power 4 divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. Okay children, now dy by dt equal to 3a into 2t, 2t power 4 minus 3t power 4, that is minus t power 4 divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. Actually, they are asking to find the value of dy by dx. See children, dy by dx, I can write as dy by dt by dx by dt. Because if I cancel dt, again I will get dy by dx. Yes or no children? So, therefore, to find dy by dx, what we have to do? We have to divide dy by dt by dx by dt. So as dy by dt is 3a into 2t minus t to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus t cube whole square divided by dx by dt is 3a into 1 minus 2t cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. 1 plus t cube whole square, 1 plus t cube whole square cancel. 3a cancel. Okay, here we have 2t minus t to the power of 4. Let me take t as common. I get 2 minus t cube divided by 1 minus 2t cube. So that is the value of dy by dx. So which is also the most important question. Students, there is no need of confusion at all here. We have to differentiate with respect to t. You will get dx by dt. We have to differentiate with respect to t. You will get dy by dt. You want to find dy by dx. So dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now coming to problem number 5. Y equal to x into root over a square plus x square plus a square into log x plus root over a square plus x square. Then show that dy by dx equal to 2 into root over a square plus x square. So what is given, you have to see carefully, then what they are asking to find out. So given y equal to, this is our term, what we will do, differentiate with respect to x, right? So that we will get dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, if you observe this, which is in the form of uv. So what is the formula of uv? U v dash plus v u dash. As u in the sense here x, so u dash, which is nothing but 1, because x differentiation is 1. Now coming to v, v is nothing but root over a square plus x square. So let us find out v dash. What is the differentiation of root x, which is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. Again internal derivation, a square differentiation is constant, that is 0, plus x square differentiation is 2x, right? So let us cancel 2 and 2. What you will get? X by root over a square plus x square, right? So let us apply uv method. U v dash, v dash is nothing but x by root over a square plus x square plus v u dash. U dash is nothing but 1. So first term over. Now coming to second term, a square into, which is in the form of log x. Differentiation is 1 by x. X plus root over a square plus x square. Again internal derivation. X differentiation 1. X differentiation is 1 plus, again root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x. Again internal derivation, x square differentiation is 2x, right? Now let me cancel 2. Okay children, so let us write x into x, dy by dx equal to x into x square by root over a square plus x square, again plus root over a square plus x square plus a square into 1, a square by x plus root over a square plus x square into 1 plus 1 into x, x by root over a square plus x square. Children, once again, x into x square divided by root over a square plus x square, plus as it is, this term also as it is, a square root over a square plus x square into 1, same thing you will get, a square into 1, a square divided by the same term 1 plus, already we cancel 2, 1 into x, 1x by root over a square plus x square. So here nothing means I can write as 1. So here also nothing means 1. So dy by dx equal to, let us take s root over a square plus x square into 1, LCM is root over a square plus x square, 1 into x square, 1x square, root over a square plus x square into root over a square plus x square, you will get only a square plus x square, plus a square divided by x plus root over a square plus x square, 1 comma root over a square plus x square, LCM is root over a square plus x square. Let us multiply root over a square plus x square plus 1 into x, 1x. Okay. Now let me cancel these two terms, root over x plus root over a square plus x square into x plus root over a square plus x square. Okay. So dy by dx equal to x square plus x square, 2x square plus a square divided by root over a square plus x square plus, so we have only a square divided by root over a square plus x square. Again LCM, dy by dx equal to, LCM is root over a square plus x square, right? So directly we need to add numerator 2x square plus a square plus a square, 2a square. As the denominators are same, directly we can add numerators, right? So dy by dx equal to, let me take 2 common, what I will get, x square plus a square divided by root over a square plus x square. How can I write as root over x, only x square plus a square? If you observe children, dy by dx equal to 2 into x square plus a square, I can write as root over x square plus a square into root over x square plus a square divided by x square plus a square. This and these terms cancel. So dy by dx equal to 2 into root over x square plus a square. So this problem also one of the most important problem which are going to ask in IP exams. So children, as we have discussed in this session, hardly 5 problems only. All problems are the most important question. If you practice these 5 problems, easily you will get 14 marks. No doubt at all. But the thing is, if you practice, then only you can. Without practicing, asal man paper pen pedite asal pen anadi move avadu. So as you all know that 1B is completely, it depends upon how much you practice. ఎంత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే అంత ఫాస్ట్గా పెన్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది. మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకుండా ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్తే మొత్తం బ్లైండ్ అవుతుంది, కంపల్సరీ ప్రాబ్లం ఫేస్ చేస్తారు. సో యాజ్ పర్ మై సజెషన్, సో గో ఆన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ 1B. ప్రాక్టీస్ makes perfect. Okay children, so don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.